This is Execution by Edward Hirsch. The last time I saw my high school football coach, he had cancer stenciled into his face, like pencil marks from the sun, like intricate drawings on the chalkboard, small X's and O's that he copied down in a neat numerical hand before practice in the morning. By day's end, the board was a spiderweb of options and counters, blasts and sweeps, a constellation of players shining under his favorite word, execution, underlined in the upper right-hand corner of things. He believed in football like a new religion, and had perfect, unquestioning faith in the fundamentals of blocking and tackling, the idea of warfare without suffering or death, the concept of teammates moving in harmony like the planets. And yet, our awkward adolescent bodies were always canceling the flawless beauty of Saturday afternoons in September, falling away from the particular grace of autumn, the clear weather, the ideal game he imagined. And so he drove us through punishing drills on weekday afternoons and doubled our practice time, and challenged us to hammer him with forearms, and devised elaborate last-second plays, a flea flicker, a triple reverse, to save us from defeat. Almost always they worked. He despised losing, and loved winning more than his own body, maybe even more than himself. But the last time I saw him, he looked wobbly and stunned by illness, and I remembered the game in my senior year when we met a downstate team who loved hitting more than we did, who battered us all afternoon with a vengeance, who destroyed us with timing and power, with deadly, impersonal authority, machine-like fury, perfect execution.